excited. We've just had a delivery from Sofie Schnoor. So let's see what's in the box. I've got a feeling we've got some jumpsuits and some tops and a dress. So, oh yes, we've got a jumpsuit. Let's have a look at this. Obviously it will look completely different once steamed. That feels so soft. Gorgeous. Yeah, we're loving that. I do believe I ordered one of those for me as well. Oh, we've got bikinis. Not sure when you're going to be wearing your bikini, but if you're still having to stay indoors, maybe you can get out in your garden. So a little bandeau top and bottoms. I'm loving that. Really nice. And I think that is a swimming costume in the same print. You can tell I get excited opening all these boxes. Yeah, swimming costume. That's gorgeous. Really lovely. Let's have a look at the print on that. Very nice. What else have we got? Looks like we've got a blouse. And if I remember rightly, we have a skirt that goes with that, so you can make it into a lovely little dress as well. Can you see the print and the lovely ruffle detail on there? That's absolutely stunning. Stunning. What else have we got? Is that... Yep. Oh no, that's another blouse. Then we've got some white embroidery on glaze. This looks like a little top. Nothing beats embroidery on glaze in the summer. It just looks so pretty. Look at that. Absolutely gorgeous. What else have we got? That looks like a skirt. Or is that a dress? Skirt, I think. Thing is, I ordered these so far in advance, I forget what I've ordered, so it's always a nice surprise when it arrives. Yeah, that's the skirt. Loving that too. Really, really nice. You can just see that either just as a skirt, but you can wear it as a little dress as well with the top and the skirt together. And then finally, we have a dress. Oh, look at this. Oh, that is beautiful. Love that one. And I'm pretty sure I ordered one of those for myself as well. Love that. Can you see the little gold fleck in there and that lovely tassel? Sofie Schnoor just knows how to do detail. I think that's fab. Oh, so that'll give me lots to do on Monday, steaming those, getting them on the website so you lovely people can have a look at them and buy them. Thank you.